Well, hi, this is Matthew again with Kimball Midwest. I was working today and my car wouldn't start. Well, I figured out it's some battery terminals, and I had new terminals. I also have this hydraulic battery terminal crimper. It's a Kimball Midwest product. It comes in a case like this. There's a number of different die that go from 12 gauge all the way to 4/0. Here's the actual machine itself. This machine is a steel at with tax and everything around $100. I did the positive side already. Got the positive terminal already on there, crimped, looking nice. The battery terminals are Kimball Midwest battery terminals as well. So now I'm going to do the negative side. I'm going to reset the camera, and I'm going to do the negative side. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is loosen up the battery terminal here. I don't know why that wrench wouldn't work, but loosen this up. Take the battery terminal off. These come off of the 7/16. Just have to loosen them, then the cables will come right out, I think. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my side cutters. This is the body ground going straight to the frame. I have a better side cutters, but I'm not sure where they are, so there, that went. Then I will also cut this back so that I can trim this back. Anytime you're changing these battery terminals, if you have the extra cable that you can afford to, you want to cut this back. That way you have good clean wire that you're crimping into. Then I'll take this utility knife. I don't have a wire stripper that's heavy duty enough for this, so I'll just use my knife. Now I got nice bright shiny cable. Do the same thing on this one. Yeah, this side sure seemed to come off easier. I don't know, but not sure why this is coming off as hard as it is. But it is. I think I picked the wrong side to do off camera. Oh well. These braids in this wire, they catch these gloves. They've already torn the gloves. Take the wire brush on this thing, clean this up a little bit. It has something on it. I'm not sure what it is, but inside of the sheathing was not as bright as outside. And I'm also going to take this battery terminal cleaner, and I'm going to put it on the battery terminal negative terminal and clean it, because if you don't have a good clean connection here, it's not going to work right anyway. Now I have both of these ready to go. Hopefully they're long enough. I have to do some reconfiguring here. It's barely going to be long enough. This is a tight fit getting this in here. My terminal probably could have been a little bit bigger for the 2 wires that are going on here. It's a 4-gauge terminal. I got the positive side in, so I think I can probably get the negative side in there. Went in pretty easy. Get everything shoved in there nice and tight. Now I get my hydraulic crimper with the 4-gauge in there. I want to turn this a little bit, I think, because I want to have it like this. I'm going to put this on here near the end, turn the valve here, once I get it snugged, I'll make sure my wires are pushed in there tight again, and then just crimp it down. It's like using a hydraulic jack. Then turn the knob to release it. There you have a nice, good, solid crimp. Now I'll put my terminal back on. Tighten it up. And then we should be good to go. Now hopefully that will fix whatever problems I've had with this old mercury charging. If not, well, I'm not sure where I'll go from here. And the nice thing about these terminals is, let me see if we can get to it. You can see right there on the terminal itself, it tells you what gauge it is. It says 4. So there's no question about what gauge terminal you have. And there you go. That's our Kimball Midwest hydraulic battery crimper and battery terminals in use. Again, that crimper sells tax and everything out the door right around $100. So that is an absolute steal. Give me a call. My contact information will be in the description, and I can get this thing to you pretty quick. Thanks. Hope you have a great day. Bye.